Alright, so Artie Caldwell here, Sunshine Super Agent. So today I am going to replicate Frenchys grouper sandwich. Frenchys is a lovely, lovely restaurant here in the Tampa Bay area. They're world famous for their seafood. There's about 10 locations. My favorite one is on the Causeway in Dunedin. But it's kind of crowded usually, so today we're going to steal their recipe and make a grouper sandwich. Creole seasoning. Old Bay seasoning. Alright, so first we're going to make a rub for the fish, which is about 50-50 Old Bay seasoning and Creole seasoning. So we've got these lovely grouper fillets. We're just going to drop them over here and rub all this in. Rub all this in. So we've got a nice fish rub going on here, right? And grouper is a local fish. You can get it at any of the fine fish markets in the area. And it'll run you about $18 a pound, up to $25 a pound. It's market price. So, not the cheapest fish, but it is one of the best fishes. Alright, so we're going to grill the buns here. We have some Kaiser rolls, and we're going to grill them so that they're extra yummy. And basically the only ingredients for a grilled bun is butter and fire. Alright, so we're going to put our fish on the fire now. And I want to put the fish a little bit off to the side. You don't want them over direct heat because they'll burn. You want it off to the side. Alright, the ingredients for this is mayonnaise, sweet relish, and basil. Basil? Basil. This bun is extremely hot, even though my wife told me it wasn't going to be hot. Alright, so on both of those, place the fish, place a tomato, we place a lettuce leaf, and we place the other bun. And there is Frenchys sandwich.